Mike Metzger with Murphy Business and Financial in Richmond, Virginia. One of the first questions that most business owners ask when they're ready to sell their business is, how much is my business worth? Well, this can be a tricky question as there's many factors and variables that have to be taken into account when pricing a business. I'd like to share a few of those with you today. Probably the most important factor in pricing your business is understanding the earnings or the cash flow that the business generates. Keep in mind that most buyers are looking to purchase businesses that will generate cash to support their lifestyle, to pay off debt that they had to take on to buy the business, as well as provide an adequate return on investment. So cash flow is king. The second factor, however, is equally important. It's the quality of the earnings, the quality of the cash flow that's important to the buyer. So does your business generate cash based solely on the value that you as the owner provide? Said differently, if you, the current owner, walk away from the business, does it collapse because all of the value was based on you? A perfect example of this would be a professional practices firm, say a CPA, who has built his or her business on his reputation or her reputation, and when they leave the scene, the business collapses. Other factors to take into account for quality of earnings are the assets that the business owns to generate those earnings. Are those assets in good condition? Are they being optimized and used efficiently to generate the highest quality earnings? Then the other factor to consider is consistency of earnings. Are you really lumpy from year to year, or can you demonstrate solid, repeatable earnings year after year, ideally with a positive growth in those earnings? The third factor to consider in pricing a business is the type of business and the market or industry that you're in. Is it a mature market or is it a growing market? Geographically or regionally where you're located, is the market saturated or is there still room for you to grow your business? A dying business can be difficult to sell. So those are just a few of the factors to take into account when pricing your business. Here at Murphy Business and Financial, we have tools to help business owners price their business. Generally for smaller businesses, I'll conduct something called a broker's opinion of value, where I'll use 3 different pricing methodologies to come up with the most probable sales price for the business. For bigger businesses, I recommend a certified appraisal, business appraisal or valuation. That actually will hold up in court. It can be used for the IRS, it can be used for estate planning and so forth. So whatever your needs, there are multiple products that we here at Murphy Business and Financial can offer to help you price your business.